Kulit Group, Bayani, Rhea Wing, and Amelina Pritzian, our clerks. For the Supply and Property Office, we have Ladra Richard, our Supply Officer. Adaman Henry, our Property Custodian. Nicole Florani, our clerk. For the Procurement Office, we have Villegas Donna Joy, our Procurement Officer. Panes Dennis, our buyer. Rueda Janica Rose, our clerk, and Barasi Joanna. For the Finance Services, we have Abanilla Cherilu, our accountant. Arellano Ofelia, our acting budget officer. Flores Beatriz, Sangka City, and Bombillo Charlene, our clerks. For the Admission and Records Office, we have Aguilera Jimmy, Daga Rochelle John, Tabanay Richel, Itang Irene Ho, Navia Lota, Domingo Richel Joy, Baguio Rahel, Vidal Janare. For our Learning Resource Center, we have Amador Juana, Duelar Ali Rose, and Robert Patrick Domar. For our health services, we have Morales Glenda, Dr. Aranas Robert, our dentist, and Sungkat Moises Rinal, our physician. For the Instruction Office, we have Piranha Bay. For the Human Resource and Management Office, we have Alcordo Chelsea Angelic, our payroll officer. We have Boris Marcelina, Luis Christine, and Kalumayan Marife. For our physical plant and development, we have Tabogong, Engineer Tabogong Benmore, Engineer Castillo, Car Ejen, Gradas Jalil Pia Aina, Lumantas Felicissimo Jr., Isola Randy, Contenidos Pepe, Ladra Estil, and Claveria Rogelio. For the transport, we have Kalimayan Melvin, Sedenio Franklin, Dimano Jan Lister, Ital Noel, Morgan Alvin.
Ang uban sa registra.
For our Cleanliness and Beautification Services Unit, we have our utilities. We have Magallanes Concepcion, Magallanes Greg, Densal Andronico, Capado John Mark, Castro Albert, and Astrino Angelo. Sorry. For the admission and records, we have Glendy Martinez. School Farm Coordinator. Thailand Bernilio. Maligrod Eddie. And Salah Jan Paul. For the Counseling and Career Development Services, we have Ma'am Ruby Colomer, our guidance counselor, Casol Manny Grace, Paki Althea Kim, our psychometrician, and Malvidro Juanito. For the Student Affairs and Services, we have Amador Abigail. For the Security Services, we have Guerrero Danilo, our Chief Security Officer, Abindaño Luther Joy, our watchman, Bitonio Floro, Salvalion Arnold. Then we have our agency securities. We have Abalied Dennis, Alsunado Joliet, Balansag Julius, Bananaha Tony, Bartolaba Adonis, Cariaga Tindo, Carino Elaine, Amoy Charlie Sheen, Mo Sahara, Labrado Heidi, Pakwit Ronnie, and Pulmo Antonin. And we have for the PPD our electrician, Juray Figurahan. Sorry boy! For the food laboratory, we have Villanueva, Melchizedek, and Isaac Gule. For the Research and Special Services Office, we have Dallas Carl James, Balde Carmen May, Sambili Jezabel, Siloterio Mark Julius, and Bersola Jessamine. They are our researchers. And for the ICTC, we have Arobanza Reiko. And for the utility, sorry Mai, I forgot, we have Mabunay, Marman. Sorry Mai. Okay. These are our administrative personnel in the USM KCC. And let's all bow. Thank you.
Maraming salamat Manhuli for presenting our personal coming from Language Department. Okay, so pamilya na ba sa atin ang lahat? Okay, kasi may mga students kami na identify na mag-graduate na lang sila of 4th year, pero hindi pa nila kilala kung sino yung mga nasa kiras. Sino ba ito? So, you need to familiarize them para at least easy na access when you want them. Kung may mga kailangan kayo matulungan sa kanila. Okay, so, andyan pa mga kayo? Buhay pa mga kayo? Or gutom na? Okay, sige. So, para mawala ang bagot, let us have an intermission number from Culture and Arts.
English major students of the university. So, this is also an encouragement to all our students. May it be a transient or freshman, you can have an audition in the Culture and Arts section. So, for further details, you may have it later. So, kung may mga talent sa pagsayaw, pagkanta, kumanta, at tumataon dito sa Culture and Arts Office and look for Ma'am Joko. Okay? So, to continue, let us all be acquainted with the faculty coming from the different colleges of the university. Starting with, let us all welcome the Dean of the College of Technology. We have the Dean of the College of Engineering, rather. We have Engineer Annalisa B. Bilin for the faculty presentation from the College of Engineering. Let us give her a round of applause. Members of the Management Council, faculty and staff, and dear students, good morning once again. May I ask, where are the College of Engineering students, especially the freshmen and transferees? Gamay lang? Nag-ship na ako ba? Ako ba nag-ship pala lang niya? Okay, I'm Feliz Purina Sanchez. Handa na ba kayo? Ha? Handa na ba kayo sa calculus? Okay, ako na magbabasahin. Ay, yung wala po dito. Just to inform everyone, may katutong part-time faculty ang College of Engineering. Una, Engineer Martin Dasa, a professional mechanical engineer. He will be handling power plant subject. Next, Engineer Andy Paul Espadera, a graduate of Bachelor of Science, Industrial Engineering in this University Batch 2015. With ongoing Master in Engineering, Major in Industrial Engineering at Ateneo de Davao University. Ateneo de Davao University at Davao City. And Engineer Raymar J. Adaya. A graduate of this university also, Bachelor of Science in Mechanical Engineering to Batch 2020 cum laude. Engineer Adaya will be handling engineering, sciences, and major subjects in mechanical engineering. By the way, Engineer Espadera will be handling calculus and major subjects in industrial engineering. Next are the allied faculty. As I call your name, please. Let's start with Engineer Sheila R. Bautista. Ma'am Bautista is a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Civil Engineering. Also a Master of Arts in Engineering Education, major in Civil Engineering at University of Immaculate Conception, Davao City. She will be handling basic occupational safety and health for IT and EE third year. Next, Engineer Erwin C. Bulasa. Sir Bulasa is a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Computer Engineering. Also a Master in Engineering, major in Computer Engineering at Ateneo de Davao University. Engineer Plaza will be handling engineering drawing, computer programming, information systems, and logic circuits and switching Engineering. Next, Engineer Rekshan P. Pumares. Engineer Pumares is a graduate of Master of Science in Chemical Engineering, specializing in pollution engineering at UP Los Baños. He will be handling chemistry for engineers. By the way, I would like to recognize our part-time faculty in the person of Engineer Martin Dasa. Nandito po si Engineer Dasa. He is a professional mechanical engineer. Thank you, sir, for having us. For being with us today. Next, the faculty from the Industrial Engineering, we have Engineer Sheila A. Duan. Engineer Sheila Duan, meron po siyang 30 units, a Doctor of Business Management at University of Immaculate Concepcion. She will be handling major subjects in Industrial Engineering.
Naglaag mo ito.
Next, we have Professor Baitukan B. Yaman, certified
Banda.
accountant.
Wala. Dugig ka. Dagang customer dito sa among Ay, mag-sis.
Ma'am Baitukan,
Dato
meron po
pa.
siyang gawing Master of Science in Accountancy at University of
Dagang
Mindanao.
dito sa
Next is
Juan,
Engineer
dito sa
Jackie Lumang.
Eco Park.
We're doing 30 units of Custom Engineering,
Dili,
Industrial
masugdanan pa mo
Engineering
paagi pa
at
o ka ng
University of Immaculate
Nabara
Concepcion.
Road.
Next, faculty from the College of Electrical Engineering, we have Engineer Jeffrey R. Bore. Engineer Bore, ongoing dissertation in Doctor of Engineering at Mindanao State University, IIT Legal City. Next, we have Engineer Ernie June Dumatao, an Australian chartered professional engineer, at the same time professional electrical engineer. He will be handling major subjects in electrical engineering. We have also Engineer Nino Marvin A. Riscom, a Master of Engineering in Electrical Engineering at University of Southeastern Philippines, Davao City. We will be handling engineering subjects, major subjects in EE. Next, we have from the Mechanical Engineering Faculty, we have Engineer General Dilewan. With ongoing Master in Engineering, Mechanical Engineering at USEP Davao City. She will be handling chemistry for engineers,
Bukabok ang taga
engineering sciences, and major subjects in EE. Next, we have Engineer George F. Dolo. A Master in Engineering, Victor in Mechanical Engineering at University of Mindanao. We will be handling major subjects in Mechanical Engineering. Next, Engineer Jimmy D. Rama. Engineer D. Rama, teacher po, no? Nag-board exam during this time. And yung ongoing we will be handling IUS 1, differential equation, major subjects in ME. Next, Engineer Reynald B. Villanueva, cum laude, bachelor in this university. We will be handling engineering sciences, engineering mathematics, major subjects in ME. And yours truly,
Classmate ko siguro sa mga
I will be handling major subjects in ME with representative of Dr. Engineering and this is that at the name of the bottom. Yun na po ang faculty ng College of Engineering. There you have it, our esteemed faculty engineers from the engineering department. Urang ang gusto dito sa akin kay si Serama.
Yes.
Nakatry naman na nasampol na, no? Sige, so to continue.
Kung sa ka ang kay Engineer Rama, mawala sa uban, kapag siya lang ang Ayan, right after. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, we will now witness the presentation of the faculty coming from the College of Education, Arts and Sciences. Okay, the presentation will be led by Dr. Jasper John D. Aguilar, the Dean of the Seas. Sir,
My courtesy to the members of the Management Council, headed by the Chancellor, Dr. Ronnie Flores-Tetsoy. I am here to present to you esteemed faculty members of the College of Education, Arts and Sciences with formidable credentials. Let us begin with the Arts and Sciences Department, headed by the Department Head, Dr. Janice E. Reyes. Dr. Janice Reyes is a graduate of PhD in Linguistics at the University of Mindanao and teaching English major subjects. Under the Arts and Sciences Department, we have Professor Zilpa D. Apari with an ongoing PhD in English majoring in Language and Literature at Adventist University of the Philippines. Courses taught English major subjects and professional education. We also have Dr. Joy P. Aguilar, PhD in Development Education at Central Luzon State University, handling English major subjects and professional education. Dr. Marlene D. Apolinario, Doctor of Education, major in Educational Management at the University of Southern Mindanao, and a graduate and teaching English major subjects, professional education, and general education. Ms. Maria Jaime A. Cabantog, a graduate of Master of Arts in Education Management with an ongoing Master of English in Language Teaching at the University of Southeastern Philippines and handling English major subjects, professional education, and general education. Ms. Shara Joy P. Constantinople, a graduate of Master of Arts in Language Teaching English at the University of Southern Mindanao and handling English major subjects. Mr. Gilbert B. Gita, with an ongoing PhD in Mathematics at the University of Southern Mindanao and handling math major subjects. Ms. Aljin May C. Lara, with a PhD in Education major in Applied Linguistics ongoing at the University of Immaculate Conception in handling English major subjects, professional education, and general education. Dr. Venus P. Maglente, PhD in Education, major in Applied Linguistics at the University of Southern Immaculate Conception, Davao, and handling English major subjects. We also have Professor Gurley M. Padilla, with an ongoing PhD Math at the Central Mindanao University, handling math major subjects, general education. We also have Professor Danilo G. Pahunon, Master of Arts in Teaching Mathematics of the University of Visayas and handling math major subjects and general education. We also have Professor Carmen B. Pailate, PhD in Mathematics ongoing at the University of Southern Mindanao and handling math major subjects. Dr. Sara V. Ramos, PhD in Higher Education at the Ateneo de Davao University, handling English major subjects and general education. We also have Professor Joan D. Santos, an ongoing PhD in Filipino at the University of Southern Mindanao, handling Filipino major subjects. Dr. Noela B. Sosas, PhD in Linguistics at the University of Mindanao and handling English major subject. We also have Mr. Michael Itadoro, PhD in Sociology of Knowledge at the Civil University, handling social studies subjects. We also have Ms. Craig Abigail P. Sordon, Master of Arts in English, ongoing with the Ateneo de Davao University English major subjects. Ms. Harry F. Cook, Master of Education and Teaching Social Studies ongoing at the Holy Cross College of Davao, Social Studies subjects. Ms. Mona Melea C. Damas, Master of Arts in Language and Literacy Education, ongoing. The USMD of Palawan, handling English major subjects and general education. We also have our top one for the 2019 LET exam, Mr. Mario F. Tamano, Master of Arts in Education, major in Mathematics, at the graduate of Marbella University, handling major subjects. We have Ms. Lisa C. Cornea, Master of Arts and teaching major in Filipino at the Sultan Kudarat State University Access Campus, handling Filipino major subjects and general education. Ms. Baigo L. Magasimpuan, Master of Arts in Education, Teaching and Social Studies at the University of Southern Mindanao, handling social studies subjects. Ms. Quincy Gayle Mornegro, with an ongoing Masters in Public Administration at the University of Southern Mindanao, handling social studies subjects and general education. Mr. Ian Hill A. Bugdan, Master of Arts in Language Teaching Filipino at the University of Southern Mindanao, Filipino major subjects and general education. Ms. Christine A. A. Soliva, with an ongoing Master of Arts in Education, major in Filipino, and top 10 for the 2019 LET exam. We also have Mr. Kevin Boras, with an ongoing Master of Arts in Education, major in Filipino at the Central Mindanao University. Let's proceed to the Vocational and Technical Education Department, headed by Dr. Emily S. Estelioso, with a PhD in Education at Notre of the Chagas University. PhD in Education at the Notre Dame of the Chagas University, teaching professional education for BDB and programs. The faculty are Ms. Maria Carissa F. Garcia, Master in Business Administration at the University of Southeastern University, handling BDB and major subjects. We also have Engineer Vicky Q. Grijalvo, PhD in Computer Engineering at Mapua University, handling BDB and major subjects and professional education. Mr. Isaac B. Gutierrez, Master of Science in Community Development of the University of the Philippines, Las Bañas, handling BDB and major subjects and professional education. Ms. Professor Bibi Noreen Bilagbayo, Master of Arts in Education, teaching ICD at the University of Visayas, handling professional education and general education. Professor April Geraldine M. Quinero,